Embarking on a journey toward a healthier lifestyle involves mindful choices, particularly when it comes to our eating habits. These 15 healthy eating tips serve as a comprehensive guide, covering a range of practices from portion control and balanced nutrition to the importance of hydration and whole foods. By understanding and incorporating these principles into our daily lives, we can cultivate a more nourishing relationship with food, promoting overall well-being. These tips emphasize not only what to eat but also how to approach meals with mindfulness, ensuring a holistic approach to healthy living. Let's explore these guidelines to foster a sustainable and nutritious eating routine. Balanced plate. Create a balanced plate by incorporating a variety of food groups. Include lean proteins like chicken or fish, whole grains such as quinoa or brown rice, and a colorful mix of fruits and vegetables. This balance ensures you receive essential nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Portion control. Portion control is about being mindful of how much you eat. Use smaller plates to help control portions, and pay attention to internal cues of hunger and fullness. This habit prevents overeating and promotes a healthy weight. Hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. Water helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, and temperature regulation. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, and include water-rich foods like cucumbers and watermelon in your diet. Colorful choices. Different colored fruits and vegetables contain unique phytochemicals and antioxidants. Consuming a variety ensures you receive a broad range of health-promoting compounds. For example, orange and yellow produce often contains vitamin C, while dark leafy greens are rich in iron and calcium. Whole foods. Whole foods are minimally processed and retain their natural nutrients. Examples include whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and unprocessed proteins. Choosing whole foods provides fiber, vitamins, and minerals essential for optimal health. Lean proteins. Lean proteins are sources of protein with lower fat content. Include options like poultry, fish, beans, and legumes in your diet. Protein is crucial for muscle repair, immune function, and hormone production. Healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, support heart health. These fats provide essential fatty acids, aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, and contribute to long-lasting feelings of fullness. Limit added sugars. Consuming too much added sugar is linked to various health issues. Be cautious of hidden sugars in processed foods and beverages, and choose natural sources of sweetness like fruits. Mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying full attention to the experience of eating. Slow down, savor each bite, and be aware of your body's hunger and fullness cues. This practice fosters a healthier relationship with food and prevents overeating. Regular meals. Eating regular, balanced meals helps regulate blood sugar levels and sustains energy throughout the day. Skipping meals often leads to overeating later on. Plan meals with a mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to keep your energy levels stable. Whole grains. Opt for whole grains like oats, quinoa, and whole wheat, which retain the bran, germ, and endosperm, providing fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This promotes better digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and contributes to long-term energy. Meal planning. Planning your meals helps you make healthier choices, reduces the reliance on fast food, and ensures a balanced diet. It also aids in efficient grocery shopping, saving time and helping you stick to a nutritious eating plan. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain high levels of sodium, unhealthy fats, and additives. Reducing their intake supports better heart health, lowers the risk of chronic diseases, and encourages a diet based on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Read labels. Understanding food labels empowers you to make informed decisions. Look for products with simple, recognizable ingredients. Be aware of the nutritional content, including levels of sugar, salt, unhealthy fats, and other additives that may impact your health. Moderation. Embracing moderation allows for a balanced and sustainable approach to healthy eating. It means enjoying treats occasionally while maintaining an overall pattern of nutritious food choices. This mindset promotes a positive relationship with food and helps prevent feelings of deprivation. In conclusion, adopting a healthy eating lifestyle involves a holistic approach that encompasses a variety of mindful practices. From creating a balanced plate and practicing portion control to choosing whole foods rich in nutrients, these habits contribute to overall well-being. Hydration, color diversity in fruits and vegetables, and the inclusion of lean proteins and healthy fats further enhance the nutritional value of your diet. Additionally, being mindful of added sugars, reading labels, and limiting processed foods play pivotal roles in sustaining long-term health. Embracing whole grains, planning meals, and understanding the concept of moderation contribute to a well-rounded approach, ensuring that your dietary choices align with optimal health and vitality. By incorporating these principles into your daily life, you embark on a journey of nourishment that not only enhances physical health but also fosters a positive and sustainable relationship with food.